Welcome to our exploration of cities around the world on the front line of a major global challenge: rising water levels and frequent floods. From Asia to America, we dive into how these urban areas are handling the ever-looming threat of submersion. We'll uncover the unique strategies employed, the resilience of the residents, and the stark reality of climate change. Journey with us as we behold fascinating sights of adaptability, innovation, and survival against the crippling forces of nature. So prepare to be intrigued, inspired, and compelled to action as we traverse 10 global cities grappling with the impacts of rising waters. 1. Jakarta, Indonesia. Jakarta, the bustling capital of Indonesia, faces a watery crisis unlike any other. The city sinks by as much as 10 centimeters each year, primarily due to excessive groundwater extraction. Compounding its woes are the rising sea levels that threaten its very existence. These natural and human-induced factors have pushed the city to the brink of disaster. In response to these overwhelming challenges, Indonesia has embarked on a monumental plan to move its capital to Borneo. This relocation is a bold step meant to safeguard the country's administrative functions from looming inundation. The relocation will not only address Jakarta's flooding problem but could also ease its congestion and pollution issues. 2. Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok, the vibrant heart of Thailand, sits precariously on what was once a swamp. This geographical reality makes the city prone to both gradual sinking and severe annual floods. Each rainy season, residents brace themselves for the deluge that seems inexorable. To counter these recurrent adversities, Bangkok has been implementing massive drainage tunnels to whisk away floodwaters. Additionally, flood protection projects are underway to bolster the city against nature's wrath. The city's commitment to tackling these issues head-on is a testament to its resilience and foresight. 3. New Orleans, USA. New Orleans, the soulful city known for its rich history and music, is starkly vulnerable to hurricanes and the encroaching sea. Located below sea level, its geography is an Achilles heel when storms, like the devastating Hurricane Katrina in 2005, strike. In the wake of such disasters, New Orleans has upped its game by enhancing its levees and pumps. These improved facilities aim to provide a more robust defense against future hurricanes. The lessons learned from past calamities have fortified the city's resolve to better protect its inhabitants. 4. Venice, Italy. Venice, the city epitomizing romance and architectural splendor, frequently stands knee-deep in acqua alta, or high water. This phenomenon is attributed to not just rising seas but also the ground beneath the city slowly subsiding. The MOSE project, an engineering marvel, was conceived to shield Venice from these tidal floods. Comprising a series of movable barriers, it aims to hold back the waters that threaten to wash over the ancient city. The balancing act between preserving Venice's heritage and safeguarding its future is delicate and vital. 5. Mumbai, India. Mumbai, a megacity teeming with life and aspiration, finds itself at the mercy of annual monsoon floods. With its dense population and inadequate drainage systems, the city becomes a cauldron of challenges during heavy rains. However, Mumbai isn't sitting idle in the face of adversity. A series of flood management projects have been launched, featuring stormwater pumping stations to better manage torrential downpours. These efforts signify Mumbai's determination to overcome its perennial wet woes and improve the quality of life for its residents. 6. Dhaka, Bangladesh. Dhaka, a city with millions residing in its low-lying expanse, grapples with vicious river and coastal flooding. The city's geography puts countless lives at stake each time water bodies swell. To combat these relentless threats, enhanced embankments are being constructed to keep floodwaters at bay. Additionally, improved flood warning systems are being rolled out to better prepare and protect Dhaka's populace. These measures are crucial in shielding the city from the aquatic onslaught that seems inevitable. 7. Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos, Africa's dynamic hub, faces the dual challenges of rapid urbanization and aggressive coastal erosion. These factors significantly heighten the city's vulnerability to flooding. One of Lagos's ambitious responses is the Eco Atlantic Project, a protective endeavor aimed at warding off the encroaching waters. Such measures are vital as they promise to safeguard not just infrastructure but the very economic heartbeat of Nigeria. This proactive approach is essential for the sustainability and growth of a city poised to become one of the largest in the world. 8. Amsterdam. Netherlands. Amsterdam is a beacon of innovation in flood defense, standing defiantly below sea level. The city has long been renowned for its extensive dam and dike systems that keep the ocean at bay. More recently, Amsterdam has embraced innovative floodplain management to adapt to rising sea levels. These efforts ensure that the city remains not just habitable but thriving amidst environmental challenges. Amsterdam's proactive measures reflect a deep understanding of living harmoniously within its unique natural constraints. 9. Manila. Philippines. Manila regularly faces the impacts of severe typhoons coupled with rising seas and relentless monsoon rains. High exposure to these natural phenomena puts the city in the crosshairs of catastrophic flooding. To mitigate these threats, efforts are being made to restore mangroves, which naturally help reduce water surge impact. Additionally, flood control infrastructure is being upgraded for better resilience. These actions represent a commitment to not just defending but also reinvigorating the environment upon which Manila depends. 10. Shanghai. China. Shanghai, with its towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, contends with the twin challenges of subsiding land and rising seas. The city's immense growth and industrial activity make these issues particularly pressing. To counter the existential threat posed by topographical changes and climate impact, Shanghai has been augmenting its levees and drainage systems. Urban planning adjustments also play a crucial role in adapting to this new reality. The comprehensive approach adopted here aims to ensure the city remains a global powerhouse despite the environmental odds stacked against it.